P2MH Scottish Homes and Castles Assembly.
We would like to share some information we have learned.
There are many different types of homes to live in. Semi-detached house.
Flat.
Castle. Terrace. Lighthouse.
Palace.
Does your house have a roof? Does your house have walls? Does your house have windows? Does it have a door? Here's the roof. Here's the walls. Here are the windows. And here's the door. Is your house very big? Is your house very small? Is your house very short? Or is it very tall? This is big. This is small. This is short. And this is tall. Is your house made of concrete? Is your house made of bricks? Is your house made of wood? Or is it made of sticks? This is bricks. This is wood. And this is sticks. Does your house have a roof? Does your house have walls? Does your house have windows? Does it have a door?
We have also learned about some of the most well-known Scottish homes and castles, which have been very important in understanding the history of Scotland. We'd like to share some facts with
The royal castle belonged to the royal family as a place called Ballitor. The Queen spent a lot of time in the royal castle in the summer months.
This is Edinburgh Castle. It is one of the most famous castles and it sits on top of an extinct volcano at the top of the Royal Mile. Ellendon Castle is one of the most photographed castles. It's located in the Highlands. It is a popular location for film, TV and photo shoots.
Calendar House is open to the public. Some very famous Scots have visited, including Mary Queen of Scots. Another famous home which is close by is Monarchical Palace, where Mary Queen of Scots was born in 8th December 1542. Many famous Scottish homes are still inhabited, but are still open to the public to look around. There are also a lot of castles which have now become ruined.
Queen lives in Balmoral Castle. She goes there for her holidays. She likes to live in a castle.
But I like to live in a big grey house.
Edinburgh Castle.
Edinburgh Castle is on Castle Rock. Lots of kings and queens live there. They like to live in a castle, but we like to live in a semi-detached house.
Mary.
Queen of Scots lived in Stirling Castle when she was a little girl. She likes to live in a castle,
But I like to live in a terrace.
Princess Margaret was born in Gladys Castle. Simon Patrick Bonesline lives there now. They like to live in a castle,
But we like to live in a white house.
in 1746 there was a fire rescue palace. Now only Mary Ghost lives there. They like to live in a palace, but we like to live in a house.
Know about our dream castle. We want to share what we thought of
My
you.
castle is made of cotton candy. Inside it has a chocolate throne and a sugar cat and 30 playrooms and a trampoline. It also has a chef that makes hot chocolate. My castle is in the water. My castle is tall. My castle is rainbow. My castle is made of bricks. My castle has 30 bedrooms and has 30 bathrooms. My castle has other rooms that are pink. My castle has a rainbow and has a puppy dog.
My dream castle is in New York, and it is big, and it is blue, and it is made of bricks, and it has 4 million rooms, and it has a spire, and it has a drawbridge.
My castle will be on water. My castle will be big. The colour will be red, and the castle will be made of bricks. There are 10 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms.
My castle is in Scotland. My castle is huge and it is blue. It is made out of stone. I have 15 bedrooms. My castle has a play area and a kitchen. We have also learned about some famous Scots and where they live. There are lots of castles and homes in Scotland which are still inhabited. That means people live there.
Scott was born in a little town.
She was
Crowned Queen at Edinburgh Stirling Castle. She gave birth to her son at Edinburgh Castle.
well done. Traquair.
Traquair is the oldest continually inhabited house in Scotland.
And Prince
And Prince
Charles.
Charles Edward Stuart, better known as Bonnie Prince Charlie, stayed here. Clan Campbell, which was one of the most powerful clans in Scottish history, was based at Inverary Castle near Lochfine. Largest of all the clans was Clan MacDonald. Their base was Armadale Castle on Isles of the Skye. We have been learning about Scottish homes and castles.
And even
We have made our own model.